Namaskar. Welcome to the summary of the Assam Tribune 30 July 2020. আজি আমাৰ ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰাৰ আগতে জনাবলৈ পাই সুখী হৈছোঁ যে APSC ইতিমধ্যে প্ৰিলিমছ পৰীক্ষাৰ বাবে চেম্পল পেপাৰ্ছ আপলোড কৰিছে আৰু এই চেম্পল পেপাৰত অহা বিভিন্ন কুৱেশ্যনসমূহ আমাৰ ডেইলি আছাম ট্ৰিবিউন এনালাইচিছৰ কভাৰ কৰা হৈছে গতিকে আপোনালোকেও আমাৰ আছাম ট্ৰিবিউনৰ ডেইলি এনালাইচিছটো ফ'ল' কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব আহক এতিয়া আমি আমাৰ আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ Number 1, Rafale jets. Rafale is a fighter aircraft manufactured by the Dassault Aviation France. It is a twin-jet fighter aircraft able to operate from both an aircraft carrier and a shore base. The fighter jet is armed with potent meteor missile, which is an air-to-air missile, and Scalp missiles, which is a long-distance cruise missile. Number 2, National Education Policy 2020. The National Education Policy was first framed in 1986 and then revised in 1992. Some key reforms in NEP 2020 are vocational training to begin from 6th class onwards. There will be a single regulator for all higher education institutions, which will be called MERU, that is Model Multidisciplinary Education and Research University, but except in case of law and medical colleges. Common entrance exam for universities and colleges to be conducted by the National Testing Agency, that is NTA. There will be multiple entry and exit in college level. And from now onwards, the Union HRD Ministry to be renamed as Ministry of Education. The online classes of Lucent IS has already started from 26 July. Enroll your name for the next batch, which is going to start from 9th August 2020. Number 3, Environmental Impact Assessment. EIA is a process of evaluating likely environmental impacts of a proposed project or development, taking into account interrelated socio-economic, cultural, and human health impacts, both beneficial and adverse. Ministry of Environment, Forest, and Climate Change in 1994 promulgated a notification making environmental clearance mandatory for the projects listed in Schedule 1 of the notification. Again, MOEFCC notified a new EIA legislation in 2006, making it mandatory for various projects such as mining, thermal power plants, river valley, infrastructure, and industries, including very small electroplating or foundry units, to get environment clearance. The onus of clearing projects is on the state government. Number 4, Notohurjo Phonikrama. Notohurjo Phonikrama was an Assamese theatre actor, playwright, film actor, and director. His first film was Jyoti Prasad Agarwala's Jaymoti in 1935, where he played the role of Gathi Hajarika, which was the character of a villain. He acted in Siraz in 1948, which he jointly directed with Bishnu Prasad Rava. He also directed Pioli Fukon in 1955 and played the protagonist himself. Bhogjora was a famous play written by him. Number 5, Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps, IRGC, is a branch of Iranian armed forces founded after the Iranian Revolution of 1979 by the order of Ayatollah Khomeini, the supreme leader of Iran. The IRGC is designated as a terrorist organization by the governments of Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, and United States. Number 6, Senkaku Islands. The Senkaku Islands are a group of uninhabited islands in the East China Sea. There is dispute among Japan, China, and Taiwan, as they all claim territorial rights over these islands. The group of islands are known as the Senkaku Islands in Japan, the Diaoyu Islands in China, and Tiaoyutai Islands in Taiwan. Number 7, World Trade Organization. The World Trade Organization is the only global international organization dealing with the rules of trade between nations. It was set up in 1995 as the successor to the General Agreement on Trade and Tariffs. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Number 8, Udan. Ure Desh Ka Aam Nagarik was launched as a regional connectivity scheme under the Ministry of Civil Aviation in 2016. The objective of the scheme is to create affordable yet economically viable and profitable flights on regional routes so that flying becomes affordable to the common man even in small towns. Number 9, Asian Development Bank. ADB is a regional development bank established on 19 December 1966. ADB's 5 largest shareholders are Japan and the United States, China, India, and Australia. ADB is headquartered in Manila, Philippines. Number 10. NABARD. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development is the apex banking institution to provide finance for agriculture and rural development. It is a statutory body established in 1982 under Parliamentary Act, that is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development Act 1981. It is responsible for the development of the small industries, cottage industries, and any other such village or rural projects. Its headquarters is located in Mumbai. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for regular updates.